Hi, welcome to Gooey.AI. We are doing a revamp for our interactive video bots tool. It's now called Copilot as well. I'm just going to do a run through of all the new features that we have, and if you're new to the tools, it will be a quick run through of how it works. We have several sections in this, and the aim of the Copilot is to be able to harness the power of LLMs and add your own customized documents to it, and it's able to answer based on that. This is super helpful if you want an assistant tool that works with you in your enterprise, your product or service, and it's really simple to build with the Copilot workflow on Gooey.AI. Here we have one for Pharma.chat, which is a collaborative tool built by Digital Green and us, and it helps Indian farmers and agricultural agents. So you can see that there's a system prompt that tells you how it should answer and what its name is, and a salutation if required, and if it's the first interaction of the chatbot with the user, along with a separate section on collecting some simple details like location, gender, and the crop that the user is growing. Uh, After that, you will see that there is a long list of documents that we have added. You can add your own via Google Docs, shared Google Docs, or you can add them as uploaded PDFs or other kind of documents as well. So some of them look like this, where you have a bunch of questions that the users might ask and some relevant answers with URLs, or they could look very detailed like this PDF here, which talks about best practices for chili cultivation. And then we'll head into the settings, which allow you to do a lot more, but I'm just going to quickly run the tool once for you to have a look at it. So here they've already run it twice. I'm just going to ask, I have a flood problem in my area and I need help to manage my crop. What do I do? And based on all the documentation that Digital Green has on the subject, it will try to give us the best answer along with some reference links as required. But do know that if you ask a question that's outside of the specialization of this assistant or this copilot, it will try to respond by saying, I'm sorry, I don't know anything about it. This keeps the focus of your AI copilot to your product and doesn't try to answer aside from that. So here you see it says that, okay, this is what you can do, and how you can figure it out. It's also got a little text to speech output as well, and a reference to the videos that you might be able to access on Digital Green's website. Now here you will see that there are some more prompt related to the document search, which basically means searching through all of the documents that you added, and how the LLM will answer that question, how the AI will answer that question. So here you can just replace your own web reference, and the rest of it can be used just as is. If you are ending up going to use this product on WhatsApp or Slack, or you need a special kind of formatting, you have that option here as well. And then you can also add a speech recognition model, which would allow users to send in the questions by text audio rather than typing it out. We have now integration with Palm 2 and Llama that allows you to try out the model with other open source LLMs as well. You are not only stuck to OpenAI. And finally, you can add a code language for the users. This will allow the immediate translation of questions, and of course, the voice settings have been there in the past as well. You can use from text to speech that's provided by Google or UberDuck, or the latest ones from Bark as well. And then finally you hit submit and your bot is ready. What you can also do just by a click is integrate it with a Facebook chatbot, or now even a Slack workspace if you need. If you want to integrate it with WhatsApp or any other chat tools that clients that you might be using, please feel free to connect with us at support@gooey.ai, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.